Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you how to add a business to the Google Maps. So firstly we need to zoom in to our business place. For example, somewhere here. And now we have to hold our finger and drop the pin. Now we have to move it to the top and here add your business to maps for free. We have to tap that and here now we have to log in. Then we have to create our business profile for our business, and then we can add it for free to the Google Maps. And you just have to tap next and enter the data for your business. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.